Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Siri shortcuts to automate your iPhone. Siri, as simple as its name now, either it's about how to work with Siri or how to make the best out of it, everything is easy. To make it more interesting and user-friendly, Siri has got shortcuts. With the help of the potent Siri shortcuts function, you may program unique voice commands for your iPhone. To begin, make sure iOS is updated and installed on your device. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Siri and search. From there, enable the Listen for Hey Siri option and toggle on Press Side button for Siri if available. This ensures Siri is always ready to assist you. Creating your first Siri shortcut is a breeze. Open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus button to create a new shortcut, and select Add Action. From the extensive list of available actions, choose the one that corresponds to the task you want Siri to perform. You can customize the action with specific parameters like recipients, messages, or destinations. Siri shortcuts help you to automate and enrich your daily morning routine. Siri shortcuts can also be used to automate tasks to work. Your daily commute can be made smoother and safer with Siri shortcuts. You can easily send your personal shortcuts via messages or other communication apps, allowing your friends and family to benefit from your innovative automation. Whether it's a time-saving workflow, a fun prank, or a helpful utility, sharing your shortcuts helps others and fosters a sense of community around Siri shortcuts. If you're looking for fresh ideas or want to explore creative potential of Siri shortcuts, the internet is your treasure trove. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.